Now we have here Zoltan versus GP, also known as Provo. So both players still have to select the characters and also the stage. Ah no, it's fine, never mind. Okay, so we have Game and Watch versus März. I don't have a specific person to cheer for, because I don't know, I think both players are... I think it's already some time ago that Provo played this last tournament, so I think Zoltan is in favor to win this match, but I don't know, because Provo is always 18% prizes, so here we have the small beats from Zoltan 11, okay, Frank catching the Fluffy, and you see here Provo trying to get an opening with his März, but at the moment looks quite difficult. Zoltan tries to smash him, but we are playing on Battlefield. I don't really know if it's a good stage for one of them. Ooh, and we see the back for almost killing it. And we see the kill with the up smash. I think also about the matchup, maybe it's not that good for März, because then Iech can just absorb all of his projectiles, so we thought about the society and also the special beat itself. And we see he's using very often the down to absorb to just get the projectile to the platform, and his bucket is full. Yeah, he's trying to predict a bit, but we see Zoltan trying to not use his projectiles too often, because he knows that it's not good to just spam them. And you see here, Provo really having some difficulties to kill. Zoltan already 120%. Hence the update, it's very fast and quick, much start of frames, but much empty. It's always good yeah, now we see already the Provo kill percentage, because Kéier is also very lightweight, so he goes very fast. März is a bit heavier, much heavier than him. It's not really heavy, but again, it was kind of lightweight. You see, dash attack, not quite killer, but smash attack, and even in air already kills the dash. But yeah, like I said, it's much percentage. Can you see it? Okay. Yeah, Provo one stock, now he has to take the kill to get this even strong. Zoltan already slowly reaching maybe kill percent with the defense, like down smash, very hard smash, cooks, yeah, still not too sure. Yeah, and now ooh, and the back is killing it. The latch. That was a very good dash. And also again, watching generally very good dash. Here's many tools. But still, it doesn't look that good for Provo. He's at kill percentage here. Zoltan is 27%, so he just needs some good advantage. But we see over the moment played playing pretty good. We see here Zoltan slowly getting more and more percent, already reaching make the kill percentage. We have here an headshot situation. Ooh, that looks no, okay. Yeah, that was not good, because Zoltan was already dead. Provo didn't even need to edge guard. He could have won if he just stayed on the stage. But that happens, it's pretty normal. Okay, so Zoltan takes the first game. But like I said, Provo, very good player. We saw here he could have won the match, but yeah. Yeah, we have battlefield.
1, go!
You can also see that normally Zoltan likes to approach the different side here to just space his out at the beginning and also get first percentage. But here you can't really use side here because like I said, don't wish just as the reflector can absorb it. That's not the reflector. Okay, we send Downer into upsmash. Okay, but now he's just killing with backhand. Keep overtaking the points. Yeah, and again, we see his combos. Don't watch as many combos to just get the percentage. Sometimes rather than that. Yeah, up there very good too to get some percentage, but it's very good. And also his ledge body was very efficient. Especially you can catch the opponents and then you can just follow up with after you can just beat the things. We saw here he tried to counter with the counter up to attack it. Unfortunately he missed, but we see Zoltan in some... No, what is that? Yeah, back throw, a very strong throw. I think one of the strongest throws from... I think maybe in top 3 of the best back throw. Yeah, but this Zoltan has to get these percentages back now. It won't look very good for him. I didn't so long, but I think we're going to and to down, killing here. Yeah, we see Provo with almost the entire stock lead, and we saw him again, but he missed again. The oil bucket, because this would do much damage, I think. It depends, but yeah. See, Zoltan really has to kill right now because Editioun is very good player. As you see, and unfortunately he broke the PK Thunder, and Froe takes the second game. Now we will even go to game 3. This will still get very interesting. I was afraid that it won't be that interesting, but now... Because back in the days, Froe was a very good player, but now he's not very interesting anymore in playing in tournaments, just rarely. I think he still likes playing online, but he doesn't like to be in tournaments. But yeah, now we see him playing. Very into chat. Out the mess of the narrative, very cool, exactly. Oh, they was trying to... Who was playing? And again, he has the bucket. It's doing much damage, but I think at this point it will even kill if he gets hit by the down B. Okay. Very dangerous situation, and yeah, we saw the jab into down B. Oh, it's lagging. I don't know if I'm getting kicked. No. Connection error for me.